going to show you the recipe of chicken ghee roast. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are 1 kg of chicken pieces, some ghee, tamarind which is soaked into water, black pepper, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, some dried red chili, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, salt, garlic cloves, coriander leaves which is chopped, some curd and some lemon juice. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add the chicken pieces in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. With that, salt as per taste. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Mix it and coat it properly. I mixed it properly and now I am going to add 1 cup of curd in it. Mix it well. I mixed it properly and everything has coated the chicken pieces very well, and now I am going to cover it with a plate and marinate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the chicken pieces have marinated well, and now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. With that, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 10 to 12 dried red chili. Mix it and cook it until it is aromatic. Everything is aromatic and now we are going to let it cool down completely. My mixture has cooled down completely and I transferred it into this blender jar. And now I am going to add some garlic cloves in it. With that, some tamarind which is soaked into water. And now we are going to blend it into a smooth paste. I blend it into a smooth paste. And now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Then add the masala paste. Mix it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the masala paste has cooked and now I am going to add the marinated chicken pieces in it. I added the chicken pieces and now I am going to mix it properly until everything has combined. I mixed it properly and everything has combined well, and now I am going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken has cooked and now I am going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it properly. I mixed it properly and my chicken ghee roast is ready to serve, and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate and now I am going to garnish it with some mint leaves. So this is my delicious and tasty chicken ghee roast recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.